Welcome. It's a new day. It's a new dawn. It's a new life for you and me. How have you been feeling? Remember, I want to hear from you. I want to know how the exercises are working for you. I want to know what your meal plans are like. I want to know if you're feeling stressed. Just talk to me about anything. Leave your comments in the page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, so that you can get fit with me. You fit with Kate. Okay, remember, 5 exercises. Each one is 30 seconds with a 15-second rest. 5 of the exercises make 1 rep, 1 set. Another 5, 1 set. 1 set. So you do 4 sets of that. And then you're good to go. Happy, strong, healthy, and of course, eating right. So let's start with a close grip, chest press, leg up. 5 kg. That's all I'm using. Okay, I'll just show it to you before we start the timer. Yeah. Go back. Your lower back has to be on the floor, on the ground. Leg up. Together, the weights closed, and then you press. That's it. And then you press. Nice and easy. If you want to challenge yourself, you can bring your legs a bit lower. It will make you strengthen. Try and hold your position with your tummy. Let's go. 30 seconds. And we're off. Form is very, very important. Of course, bring a nice attitude to your workout. Woo! Yes. That was good. The crawl will help you, with your stability, your form, your coordination, your balance. Okay, basically, you're on all fours and your knees are off the ground like this. Your back is straight, not curved. Okay, and you hold that, or you just hold here. 30 seconds. Or you go forward and back. Many ways you can do it. So choose either one. I think I'll try and incorporate all 3 for you so that you can choose whichever one you want to do. 30 seconds. Remember, your back is flat, your knees are off the floor. Challenge your arms, your core, your legs. Okay, let's get in position. Let's start with just holding it. Okay, then we can tap. Easy, don't move too much. Focus and concentrate. Now we can move. Alternate movement. Back, back. Forward again. Back. You can hold it and then tap to finish off. By the time you do it 4 times, you'll feel it. Okay, the next one will be the split squats. 15 seconds each leg. 15 seconds on the right, 15 seconds on the left. It's more like a lunge, but you're just, it's just here. That's it. It's a split squat. Right leg, 15 seconds. Left leg, 15 seconds. I'm going to use the 10 kg, so that it helps me balance more and challenges me more. Okay? Please be careful when you're lifting up your weight. Always bend down properly. Don't go like that so you don't hurt your back. Woo! 15 seconds. Hold it there. almost there. Breathe. Woohoo! Okay. Other side. Just out. There you go. Next exercise is the gorilla rows. You know how the gorillas are? Like that. So your feet are almost turned outwards. Okay? Bend at the hip and then you row. Gorilla rows. Of course, with the dumbbells. So I'm going to use a 5 kg for this one. Don't forget your form here. Bend at the hip. Okay, your elbows are up. Feet flat on the floor, flat. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes. Power jacks incorporates like you having like a squat and then coming back up. So this is a power jack. Here. You go down. Your hands are out. That's a power jack. Okay? 30 seconds. Breathe. Get into position. We'll start here. 3, 2, 1. Hands are out, facing forward. Don't forget to breathe. Woohoo! Just did that one there. Yes, I'm done for the day. Okay, well, I'm done. Like I always say, you have 3 more sets of these same exercises to go for. Let's stretch. Okay? Of course, one of my favorite poses is the child pose. Stretches your whole body. On your knee, sit on your heels. Stretch your arms out. Count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go flat on the floor. Try and hold your ankles here. Chest up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release slowly. Hands up, leg up. Just stretch. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up with the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up slowly on your knee. Lean back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your right hand in here. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left hand in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back up. Your toes out. Downward dog. Your feet are flat. Feel that stretch at the back. Okay? Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da! Okay, make sure you complete the 4 sets. Have a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Stay fantastic. Bye.